And how much coffee have you had?
None, a little, a lot. Why? I'm fine. Great, amazing. So listen up. I know how we can prove they're cloning teachers at Enigma High. We talk to the people who've been here the longest, the 15th graders.
The Des Moines Police Department is requesting the public's assistance in an Amber child abduction alert. 8-year-old Jaden Connors was abducted from 36th Street and Holcomb Avenue in Des Moines, Iowa. Jaden is an 8-year-old white male, 4 feet 5 inches tall, 60 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes, last seen wearing Mario Kart t-shirt, black Fila sweatpants, and shoes that light up when walking. He was abducted by his father, Anthony Connors, 45 years old, 5 feet 8 inches, 200 pounds. White male with brown hair, beard, and brown eyes. Last seen wearing a black hoodie and blue shorts. The two are believed to be traveling in a white 2009 Honda Accord with no license plate. They may be leaving Iowa. If you have any information, call 515-283-4811 or 911.
Nice.
She's making you look like a fool. But Li Ping says that the fool was also an early precursor to Enough with the precursor, or I'll give you